Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. We are here today. We are here at Bangkok, and we got to this really famous Saranrom Park. This is a really really old school, and I was told that this is the one of the ritual places where you see those fishes, so many catfish everywhere in the water body, in the water, because in this area, because it's so sacred area and no fishing is allowed. So that is why the preservation of those fishes is really well. So you can see fish everywhere, and just by crossing this teeny bridge, we got to Saranrom Park. This is one of the older central Bangkok public park, and by looking at the entrance gate, see, you can tell its age is really old. One really famous thing around this place is there is a really legendary famous place called the Free Thailand Gym in this park. So I saw videos about this gym from other YouTube channel before. Today, yeah, I'm lucky enough to come here to check it in person. That's somewhere I really wanted to look at, and I see a little pond here. Just want to get a couple steps closer to see if any fishes in the water. I can almost tell, like, yeah, there should be some big boys here. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and walk towards the direction of that public gym, and there's a water truck coming this way. Might as well just stay away from it. I just don't want to get wet. Okay, I'm safe. Okay. Okay. This is more like a extra large size garden with those artificial pond, and I assume like turtles, soft shell turtle, and big boy catfish everywhere. Since last time when I was at the Lumpini Park, yeah, I saw those big boy catfish everywhere, and I assume that's something called a Komodo dragon or Komodo lizard. Nice, swimming away. You just don't want to stick around to say hi to YouTube. Hasta la vista, my friend. Okay, Mr. Komodo, he's not happy here. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the really famous Fee gym here in Thailand. So from the maps, I have in hand, it says I'm supposed to make a right turn after this bridge. Wow, so so much green here, and La Chai Badi Temple. Okay, not sure if you guys can see the opposite side of the street, and that's somewhere called La Chai Badi Temple. Might as well I can. No, this direction, this way. Yes, this is where the La Chai Badi Temple is. Might as well I can just go ahead and check it out after the Panglong Ha Fountain National Park slash Saranrom Park. Okay, and here we go. Is it here where the gym is, or is it enclosed by the fence? Okay, the map shows it should be on the other side of this sheet metal wall. Okay. Excuse me. I'm almost sure this is where the public gym is. And guys, just look at this. You see that? Just right behind the greens. I think that's where the gym is. Security guard here, and hey, here it is, the legendary free gym here in downtown Thailand. Sawadee krap, how are you today? Good. Very good. Am I allowed to have my shoes on this area? Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I can see the facility. Hey, how are you? The facilities here, they are old school. They're old. Some of them have some rust on it. Not fancy at all. No, not fancy at all. But they do the work. Not bad. And look at the weight plates. 8 kilo. Yeah, good to know that here they are using kilo as the units instead of pounds. Not too many people here, but yeah, definitely this is somewhere. This is good to work out for free here in downtown Bangkok. And there's a partridge. I assume there's a partridge here. sticking around. Hello, Mr. Partridge. Yep. Yeah, the equipments they are not new at all. No. I see the lockers here and more equipments here. Okay, so one sec. Lock. Okay. Okay. Now I can tilt out. Oh. Tilt down to see what's going on here in this, yeah, in this bin. Lock the lockers and some of the medals or the cups of the championship or whatever contest they went to. Hey, how are you? From Canada.
Canada.
Yes.
Oh,
How are you today?
you like Chinese?
Oh yeah, yeah, I am. I am. Yeah.
I'm good. And you?
Huh?
I'm good. And you? How are you?
Oh yeah, yeah, very good, very good. I'm just here to do a YouTube introduction of this area, so just to show people around the free gym. All right, thank you. Yep, dumbbell, dumbbells, not bad. Especially I considering you don't have to pay for the expensive membership in those malls when I was in the uh, Thai 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 D. I got to look up the name. I was in one of the famous mall yesterday. Oh, Bangkok. I was in one of the biggest shopping mall here in Bangkok called Bangkok Mall yesterday, and I was told like the membership per month for the gym down there is like 2,000 baht per month, which is more expensive than North America's, and that's based on the subscription of like 1 year minimum. If anything less than that, it will be even more expensive. Okay. And waffle, waffle, waffle. I got to go this way. Okay, so that's the legendary free gym here in Bangkok area, and I see another temple called uh, Wat Raja Pradit, just right across the street from here. So I'm thinking about might as well if I can get to the other side of the fence, which I don't think there's any pass available. but I really don't want to go all the way around. What do I do now? Yeah, might as well just walk around to see if I can get to the uh, get to the what is it called? Get to the temple. Okay, it's called Wat Racha Pradit. Okay, so basically that's what it is here in Bangkok. You see the ancient tour sites everywhere, tour attractions everywhere. They are basically like next to each other, back to back. Interesting. Good thing is there's not many tourists in this area, at least not today. I don't see no tourists today here. Okay, so I'm out from the park already. All right, that's about it. So that's just a brief introduction to this public park, and also, hey, one sec. Yeah, also the brief introduction to the free gym, outdoor gym here in Bangkok. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please consider like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any other new videos. I will see you guys next time. Cheers.